What did all these animals have in common? Well, look. Remember where they live? They all look like their habitat or the place where they live. See? Like the owl has feathers that are colored just like its habitat, the trees that it lives in. And the tiger has fur that's colored just like the leaves and the branches that it hides in. The branches even kind of look like stripes, just like the tiger has. So the tiger looks like the place where it lives. The katydid is green, which is the same color as the leaves that it lives on. And this frog has skin that's colored just like where it lives, these brown leaves. There's a name for this. You might know it. When an animal looks a lot like where it lives, we say the animal is camouflaged. That's a big word and it's interesting. Say it slowly along with me. It's cam-o-flage. Camouflage. It's a word that comes from French, and it means to hide or disguise. When most people think of camouflage and animals, they think of this animal, the chameleon. Do you see it there? The reason people think of chameleons when they think of camouflage is because chameleons have something extra cool about them that they can do. Not only are chameleons camouflaged, but they can actually change their color. You see this one on the right? This is a sped up video of a chameleon changing its color. Now, some people assume that chameleons can change to be any color they want to be, and that's not quite true. Most chameleons can only change from being light green to darker brown like this. But you can see that either way, chameleons are very good at being camouflaged, or looking like where they live. Now, maybe the most amazing animal at camouflaging is this, the octopus. The octopus really can almost look like anything it wants to. Watch what it does right here. Wow. Only very few animals can actually change their color the way this octopus or a chameleon can. Many animals can't change their color at all. They're just born camouflaged. Like this rabbit hiding in the grass. It's camouflaged. Its fur is brown, which matches the color of the dead grass where it lives. But it's just born this way. It doesn't change its fur's color. Here's a different kind of rabbit. This is called the Arctic hare. It's a type of rabbit that lives in the far north. And you'll notice how it's born with fur that's as white as snow, so it matches where it lives. Or take a look at these. They're insects on a tree. Do you see them here? They're called moths, which are very similar to butterflies. Here's another picture of camouflaged moths. They look just like the tree trunk that they're on. So many different kinds of animals are camouflaged. Their color matches the place they live, and that makes them hard to see. But why? Why do you think this is? Why are so many animals camouflaged? Like, what do you think would happen if these animals weren't camouflaged? Take these moths on the tree. What if they weren't brown? What if they were white or something instead? Now that they're not camouflaged, what do you think would happen to them?